Hey, it's Chris again from websquirrel.com. Today I'm going to show you how to use your new blog to post your content and any links or anything like that you want from across the web. I'm going to be using my blog, The Startup Experiment. This is where I am chronicling some of my attempts at starting an internet business. So to get started, you're going to log into your account. This is going to give you this dashboard. This is going to be your control panel for using your whole website. Over here to the right you see a quick press module. This will allow you to just type some quick content, give it a title and some content, and post it to your blog. You can also access this through the posts page, which I'm going to use this menu bar over here to the left. To start with, the most basic function of a blog is your posts. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into the posts and add new. And from here there are several things I can do. First of all, I'm going to type a title here, and for this I'm going to post a YouTube clip. So I'm going to call this my new YouTube clip. Now it's really easy to post something. Here you can see the icons of several social networking sites. You got Vimeo, Flickr, MySpace, and I'm going to post a YouTube clip. So I'm going to click here on the YouTube icon. It's going to bring up a small window here, and all I need to do is get the web address of the video that I want to embed. So I'm going to come over here to YouTube and embed the old classic Who's On First. Now all I'm going to need to do is highlight what's in the menu bar and copy it, go back over to my blog and paste it. And there's a few additional options here as far as what size you want the video to be, but I'm just going to hit OK, and it'll add this small bit of code here, and I just select publish, and that's it. Now give it a second and I can go to my page and view it, and there will be an embedded YouTube clip here to watch Who's On First. Now again, this is usable for any of these networking sites. An additional feature of any of these posts, whether you're just typing text or really anything you're posting, is you can add tags. Tags are basically pre-made search terms. So if you have a tag cloud shown in your widgets, which I'll get to in a moment, you can basically put Abbott and Costello, Who's On First, videos, whatever you want. That'll make it easy to find this clip. So I'm going to again go over here to add new, because I'm going to post some pictures. Now again, we're going to put a title here. I'm just going to call it Pictures and spell it correctly. Now I've included a software package called RoboGallery. That's this RG here. So I'm going to click on that, and that's what you're going to use. You can also embed any kind of slideshow from Picasa or Flickr into your website, and use a third-party photo storage site. But in this example, I'm going to show you how to upload it and host it on your own site. So we're going to click Browse Files, and this may look a little different from yours because I'm using a Mac, but I'm going to select a couple pictures here. And these are just various web squirrels. I'm going to click Select, and it's going to show the images here that I've selected. Now I simply click Upload. It'll copy them all to my web page. Click Next. I can tag the photos as I was showing before, so I'm going to call this a squirrel, and I'm going to tag this one a squirrel also. Shouldn't have to touch anything else. You can change the file name if you like. You can do a bulk edit and it'll change it for everything. I'm going to click Next. and it's going to give me a few options. These are the pictures that it's going to show in the gallery. So obviously you wouldn't want something like this where it's cut off. So these look pretty good. And I'm going to click finish. And this is going to create a gallery on my post. And again, I'm going to click publish. And view the site. And there are my pictures. Now when I click on them, it's going to give me the full-size picture. So that's the basics on posting. You can also edit static pages, similar to the old style website. So I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to go to pages. Now I'm going to add a new page, and this works similar to doing a post. I'm just going to call this test, and this is my new page. Now you'll notice you have all the same tools available to you as you did on the post, but this will leave it in on its own page, or however you have it set up. So I'm going to click publish and view the site, and here's the test page up here, and you can see that it says this is my new page. Now suppose I don't want that to be its own title up here in the menu bar, so I'm going to change what's called its parent. So if you go into pages, and you can click edit, and you can do this two ways. There's a quick edit, which will give you you can change the name, the title of the page, the parent, which I'll get to in a moment, or any of these other options quickly. I'm going to go in and do it using the complete edit. So you can come in here, you can change the title to say test child, since we're going to change the parent, and I'm going to say under a heading down here. Now over here, the parent says which page it's going to be under. So I'm going to put this under the About Me page and click Update. And what that's going to do is it's going to make it a sub-page to the About Me page. So when I click Visit Site, now you will see when I hover over the About Me, it shows the sub-page, and I can click on it there, and it no longer exists in the title bar. So that's the basics on pages and posts.